Go home happy with the 2023 Nissan ARIYA. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, wood grain interior trim, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, satellite radio, heated rear seat. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.